smack a nigga, put his ass to sleep the yoga. He been focused on the bag, you can keep the beat. We been having both, got what you need, you don't smoke like me. Ain't nobody lacking in this bitch, pull down the UFC. Every time I smile, the slugs be bustin', you can see it glee.
What's happening to the gay family? It's your boy here back with another banger video, man. What I say? A banger video. No cap, man. We had another car meet. At the last car meet I see, man, we met Charleston White and some more people, gang. We at this motherfucker, they got some shit out there. Show them the cars, twin. Come on, walk out here and show them the cars, twin. Don't be there. What's going on?
He wanted to go there, but
Motherfuckers buzzing. Got my nigga DP in the cut. Hey, what's happening to Reaper family on bro?
how you was tonight?
Yeah.
I'm the one from Kings Island that smacked this nigga.
Yeah, this the nigga from the other video. If y'all seen the clip, bro, this nigga smacked me. I got down on that nigga. I got down on that nigga, bro. I'm telling you, I got down on that nigga. My brother right there. Y'all seen these niggas in the last video, the Kings Island video. This nigga got down, bro. This nigga got down, I got down on it. Yeah, boy, I ain't gonna lie, man. Today, well, you out here, you got some shit, boy, but I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit when we get these motherfuckers up and running. I'll be out. This motherfucker pissed. This motherfucker bad, twin. What's happening to the gay family? We back in this motherfucker. Hey, we in that SRT motherfucker. That motherfucker go room, twin. That motherfucker go room. Hey, we out here with the cars, for they done brought the demon out, cuz. They done brought some shit out.
A demon Chrysler, nigga.
A demon Chrysler at that.
Nigga, look at the Corvette.
Been with us, gang.
Look at twin. Hey, twin.
Mikey. But we in that.
SRT, John.
SRT.
We in that bitch with the guys. Hey, yeah, to the game, we teeing up tonight, boy. Another car show, another busy day. Hey, y'all boy know y'all know I'm getting money out of back end, man. Hey, look we next to.
We got some cool shit over here.
So we next to,
Hey,
bro.
I'm about to have fun.
Crossfire, that too. Crossfire. Got them boys out here. Them
What'd you
boys
say?
that.
I just told him I'm about to have fun.
DP homie.
I'm in that motherfucker.
Hey, I'm gonna hit y'all back once we get on the road, man. Hold on. Got that bitch, 20K. Hey. 20K family, we in this bitch, twin.
Shit, we in this bitch squished though.
I'm gonna fuck we in this bitch like full deep squirt. But we push.
Look, that's a cop right there, nigga. We're cut.
Oh, God.
Why is he's not turning first? He's trying to get behind us. Why is not a cop? I'm trying.
That big bitch. Demon, that demon. Got the lights in this bitch, twin.
This some big riding shit right here, though.
Hey, this some shit, twin. Hey, 20K family, we in this motherfucker on scum. Hey, it's looking hard, twin.
Come back, Myers. They check it in.
I was gonna say let Will and Zay and Drugs next.
Hey, we can hit it here. We can hit it here.
Just the babe. No. Just the babe.
Okay, yeah, bro.
Okay.
Let's make a week.
Yeah, no disclose.
We in there all the 20K family.
You know, motherfuckers got action shit.
Oh, look at the ceiling in
This bitch hard. I'm gonna let you show me the little hard.
Hey, twin, what y'all
I
rate
thought it
this?
was on this side though.
That motherfucker.
Sexy, boy. Oh, it makes sense. It's because your heart go right here.
What you rate
Smart.
this to it?
That's smart.
What you rate this bit to him?
Shit, this my nigga car.
This motherfucker a 10 out of 10, a
band.
1,000, don't get it.
Bro. I know everybody wrong.
Hey, that nigga, Will, don't he race
Hey, 20K family, hey, I got an Instagram or something, shout that motherfucker out.
392 Sebas. SEBAS.
man.
NBS.Nico. N-I-K-O.
NRKO, y'all heard that? Yeah, 20K
Hold
fam.
on to that motherfucker.
I got hold on to this thing.
I'll give you that thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the thing. Oh! Oh, that bitch. Oh, that bitch is double muscles.
Hey!
By a lot? Or just a little bit? Yeah, where's he at?
You gotta get that beat though.
I didn't know what the day is, man.
It's because he's on coilover, so he's lower. So he lifts it much lower. We got the niggas and Mexicans together. Ah, we got the niggas and Mexicans.
They already know we always click on, bro. Hey, hey. They big gun like a runner. Yeah.
Now we with drill.
This ain't drill. That's the red eye. That's not drill. That's the red eye Chrysler. Drill in the back. I bet this bitch going up deuces.
That's how I see it. We got the things in it.
Will and his daddy.
Don't cut that out, man. Don't cut that out. Remember the nigga that slapped him? He gay. Don't cut. Whoa, whoa.
What's happening to the K family, boy? We back, man. We was just in that motherfucking SRT banging, nigga. Look at my guys, man. Hey, how y'all feeling that SRT, man?
Man, that bitch was fast as hell. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch get up like this.
Yeah. Nigga, we out that bitch. Brother, how the SRT go, twin? How that bitch sound, twin? How that bitch sound? Oh, B, that bitch busting. Hey, look, what's happening? Say what's up to the YouTube. Got that white, yo. This what we got rolling in, twin. This motherfucker buzz off the dribble, twin. Damn. Got that SRT thing. Got that wide body on, bro. Reaper.
Bro, that bitch is nice. That's one right there.
Damn. That bitch bullshit, man.
Look, there go that single cab.
Hey, man. Shout out. Where they can find you at, man?
Hey, 35 on Instagram.
Bro, I'm gonna have it right there, twin. Hey, y'all seen the last car meet? We met Charleston White. Let's see who's gonna be out there, twin. It might not be, you feel me, on BD, twin. I don't care. See, we see some cars out there, nigga. I want to see a motherfucking A. What you want to see, twin?
A track off some.
Track. What you want to see, twin?
Shit, I'm already seeing everything I want to see. Shit.
Twin over here, caking.
Keep going type shit. Just keep going type shit.
Hey, man.
Just keep on going, bro. Get on my feet. Get on my feet.
Hey, man. Don't talk to the camera like that, man.
Get on my feet.
To the gay family, we out here.
Get intoxicated.
Yeah, that bitch keep falling down. I hear them bitches going. Man, we outside, man.
I'm at work. Hey, I'm at work. It's okay, babe.
Niggas wild. Look at these niggas over there bullying the worker, nigga. These niggas stupid, twin.
That's fucked up, man. Leave me alone.
That's the nigga.
Oh, that's the homie? We're taking a whole call.
He said, we don't want to see.
Yeah, nigga, we got the
Shit, that's convenient, though. That's convenient as fuck.
Just for when Josh get here.
Hey, no. Ain't no way he just put that in his car.
Hey, 20K fam, we get another. Hey, man, what my man got? What's your Instagram?
That's slow_300.
That's slow_300.
Wait for me, hold on.
Look at that, bitch.
You'll be fine.
God damn, 20K family. They be
Got
fat.
stars, too.
You got stars?
Yeah.
Oh, I do. 20K family, he say he got stars too. Oh shit. Twin. They got some shit. Hey, right up for letting us see your car, gang. Hey, 20K family, y'all tap in with it. I'm put this shit down below. That brake gave out. I was tapping that brake and it just hit on it.
Speed, feel like lucky, that bus bitch got a stick in the
Y'all here? I ain't never been in a car with no brother.
I wasn't peeping. I was on my phone till I seen the car halfway in the air. Brother, don't do that. Don't do that.
I got this bitch too.
Don't do that.
I got this bitch too.
I don't got no problem whack a nigga. Put his ass to sleep, the youngin'. He been focused on the bag. You can keep the beat. We been having both got what you need. You don't smoke like me. Ain't nobody lacking in this bitch. Pull down the UFC. Every time I smile, the slugs be bustin'. You can see it glee.